Okay, so let's talk about paragraphs and topic sentences. A paragraph is a group of sentences that revolve around one main idea. Only one main idea. Every paragraph has only one main idea, and all the other sentences are all about that one main idea. Now, the main idea is the most general idea in a paragraph. It's found in what we call the topic sentence, and there's only one main idea per paragraph. Now, we mentioned that the main idea of a paragraph is in the topic sentence. So, the topic sentence is the sentence that contains the main idea in the paragraph, and because of that, it's the most general sentence in a paragraph. All the other sentences are much less general than the topic sentence. Now, the topic sentence is usually found at the beginning of a paragraph. This works for better understanding. And a topic sentence class has the characteristic of being explainable in only one paragraph. If the topic sentence cannot be explained in just one paragraph, then it's not a topic sentence, it's a broad sentence. Okay? So that is a topic sentence. It's the one that contains the main idea, and because of that, all the other sentences in the paragraphs are just there to support the topic sentence. Now, the topic sentence has two parts. It has a topic and it has a direction. When we say topic, this is a word or phrase. And usually it's the subject of a sentence. That is the topic part of a topic sentence. A topic sentence also has a direction. The direction is a general comment about the topic. Again, it's a general comment. It's not a limited comment. Not a simple fact about the topic. And usually the direction is contained in the predicate of a sentence. So again, we have two parts. We have the topic and the direction. The direction also tells the reader what the writer will talk about regarding the topic. It's always there's always a general topic, but then we can talk about several topics in many different ways. Now, when we have a direction, it restricts the discussion regarding a particular topic. Again, the direction restricts the discussion regarding the particular topic. So, for example, we have the topic studying in PNU. Now, we can talk about studying PNU in many different ways. If you have the topic of studying in PNU, there's so many things you can say about studying in PNU. For example, studying in PNU has many advantages. So the topic here is studying in PNU, but the direction is has many advantages. Also, you can also have studying PNU as the topic, but the direction is has many disadvantages. You can still have the topic studying in PNU, but the direction is requires many skills. So notice class, it's the same topic, but you can talk about the topic in many different ways. And when you talk about studying in PNU as having many advantages, you have the direction has many advantages. And in that case, class, that means that the paragraph is only about the advantages of studying in PNU. Same topic, studying in PNU, but you can talk about it in a different way. In this case, you can say has many disadvantages. And when you give that as the direction, that means that you talk only about the disadvantages of studying in PNU, not the advantages, because that would be in another paragraph. If you want to talk about the advantages, put it in another paragraph. If you want to talk about studying in PNU has many disadvantages, you put that in another paragraph. But you cannot put both of them in the same paragraph. Also, you can talk about studying in PNU as requiring many skills. So you say studying in PNU requires many skills. And when you have that topic sentence, that means that the paragraph is only about the skills of studying in PNU. That's what I mean. That's what we mean when we say studying in PN. That's what we mean when we say the direction limits. That's what we say when we say. That's what we mean when we say studying in PNU. Studying PNU has many advantages. Studying in PNU has many disadvantages, or studying in PNU requires many skills. They each have their own paragraph. So the direction limits the discussion. Notice it's the same topic, but because you have a specific direction, the direction tells us what the paragraph will talk about. Again, if your direction is about has many advantages, you cannot talk about the disadvantages. Only about the advantages. The same thing if your direction is has many disadvantages, then you talk only about the disadvantages of studying in PNU. If your direction requires many skills, then you do not talk about the advantages, you do not talk about the disadvantages, you talk about the skills required for studying in PNU. So the direction limits the discussion about the general topic. Okay? Now, let's talk about the simple sentence, a topic sentence versus simple fact, and a broad sentence. Let's compare the topic sentence versus the simple fact. First, a topic sentence is general. It's general enough to be discussed in one paragraph. You can say something, you can say several things about the topic sentence, about the main idea. On the other hand, a simple fact is very specific. It's just about this particular fact. It's not general. The topic sentence also can be elaborated in one paragraph. It can be discussed in one paragraph. The simple fact, however, cannot be elaborated. You can no longer produce an elaboration. Also, the topic sentence spurs the reader to ask for details. A simple fact can serve as a detail. So, for example, when we say studying in PNU has many advantages, then the reader will be spurred to ask, what advantages are you talking about? And so, you as a writer, you elaborate in the paragraph. If you write in the topic sentence, studying in PNU has many disadvantages, the reader will be asking, what are those disadvantages? He or she will be curious. So you will elaborate in one paragraph. Class, that is why the topic sentence is placed at the start of a paragraph in order to spur the reader to ask for details. On the other hand, a simple fact can serve as a detail to the topic sentence. Okay, here's an example of simple facts. Notice you cannot elaborate. Julian visited the Rizal Shrine. Roses lined the walkway. A student caught plagiarizing will be expelled. These are just simple facts. Now, if you want to turn those topics and those simple facts into topic sentences, you can say, for example, if you have the simple fact, Julian visited the Rizal Shrine, you say you can turn it into a more general sentence, making it a topic sentence. Julian is fond of historical sites, and one of the details is Julian visited the Rizal Shrine. Another simple fact is roses line the walkway. That's just a simple fact. But that could serve as a detail for the topic sentence. The school is decorated with flowers. When you say the school is decorated with flowers, your reader is spurred to ask, in what way is the school decorated with flowers? Well, you can say roses line the walkway, the doors are decorated with this kind of flower, the the walls have bougainvillea. So you have all those details. And one of the details is the simple fact roses line the walkway. The topic sentence, however, being more general, is the school is decorated with flowers. Okay. Another simple fact is a student caught plagiarizing will be expelled. That's a simple fact. And that could support the idea that the university takes plagiarism seriously. So that's the topic sentence. And the simple fact that serves as a detail to that topic sentence is a student caught plagiarizing will be expelled. So you will have several simple facts in a paragraph, but only one topic sentence. Now, let's compare the topic sentence with a broad sentence. Let's compare the topic sentence with a broad sentence. Okay, so there's a difference between a topic sentence and a simple fact, and there's also a difference between a topic sentence and a broad sentence. So, class, a topic sentence is general, but a broad sentence is very general. It's too broad to be discussed in just one paragraph. If you give a broad sentence, you cannot fully discuss it in just one paragraph. Okay? So, a topic sentence can be elaborated in one paragraph, but the broad sentence cannot be elaborated in only one paragraph. You would probably need more than a few paragraphs. You would probably need several paragraphs, maybe even a book, or sometimes an entire encyclopedia. Okay. Now, but topic sentences and broad sentences are similar in that they both spur the reader to ask for details. Okay, that's their similarity. They both spur the reader to ask for details. Okay, so a broad sentence is very broad. You cannot discuss it in just one paragraph. A topic sentence, on the other hand, can be elaborated in just one paragraph, exactly one paragraph, which means that a topic sentence has a direction that makes it become elaborated in just one paragraph. So the direction of the topic sentence controls what will be talked about regarding the topic, but it must be general enough to be elaborated in one paragraph. However, it must not be too broad. Okay? So knowing that a topic sentence can be elaborated in one paragraph, while a broad sentence cannot be elaborated in one paragraph, that means that the direction of a topic sentence must not be too broad. Okay, the direction of a topic sentence controls what will be talked about regarding the topic, and it must be general enough to be elaborated in one paragraph. But because of what we saw in the difference between a topic sentence and a paragraph and a topic sentence and a broad sentence, we realize that the direction of a topic sentence should not be too broad. Otherwise, it will turn the sentence into a broad sentence. Okay? So what do we remember now? What do we remember? We remember that we have a paragraph. It's a group of sentences that revolve around one main idea. The main idea is found in the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the most general sentence in a paragraph. All the other sentences are just support sentences to that topic sentence. The topic sentence is composed of two parts, the topic and the direction. The direction tells us what to discuss in the paragraph, and the direction restricts the discussion. Now, we compared a topic sentence with a simple fact. A simple fact cannot be elaborated. On the other hand, a topic sentence can be elaborated in just one paragraph, and a topic sentence spurs the reader to ask for more details. Now, on the other hand, a topic sentence can be elaborated in just one paragraph, but a broad sentence cannot be elaborated in just one paragraph, which means that the direction of a topic sentence must not be too broad. Okay, now class, I really don't believe that just giving you a lecture is enough to enable you to understand how to write a paragraph. You would need exercises. In the same way that it's not enough to just give you facts about riding a bicycle. You will not learn a bicycle riding to ride a bicycle by just me giving you instructions about riding a bicycle. You really have to experience riding a bicycle. So here we have what we call experiential learning. Okay, you will learn by experiencing the process of writing, and that will be for your for your exercises. Okay.